Bill Goudy checking in. You know what time it is. Yeah, it's been a long time in coming. Yep. Yeah, it's not, well, it is. It's bush time. Bush time with Bill, but we're not doing the shout outs right now. Man, oh man, it's been a long time. It's been a long time for that. Well, that tastes good. I'm telling you, I'm cooking a beefsteak and doing some shrimp and baked potato on a campfire. Long overdue. Long overdue. I just couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait to do it. Check it out. Check that out, will you? Okay, so I got some shrimp, some frozen shrimp that's already been cooked, previously cooked. And I melted some butter and a little bit of lemon in there, and they're just steaming in the pan. I got a baked potato. Actually, that's a couple of small potatoes wrapped up in that foil, and then I got a beefsteak right there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yep, that's a New York strip. Yeah, almost ready. You didn't think I'd forget you, did you? Man, oh man, look at this feast. You know, yep, they aren't paying me for this, but I gotta have one. Man, oh man. Wow, that is good. Man, that is good. Alright, let's check this plate out, will you? Let's dive into this steak, shall we? Man. Look at this. Oh yeah. Done just right too. Pink in the middle. Just the way I like it. Look at that, will ya? Will you look at that? Hot pink. Man. Is that good? Let's try one of these shrimp. Yeah. Look at there. Look at that texture, will ya? Look at that. Oh. Man. Little baked potato. Look at that, will ya? Oh. Man. Wash it down with a ice cold bottle of Bush beer. It just don't get no better. I'd like to stick around and talk to you guys for a while, but you know what? I got some eating to do. Talk to you later. I appreciate everything you've done. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate your subscription. Thank you all so much. Bill Goudy out.